AI is not going to replace you for a while, so you can just relax. According to an MIT study, replacing humans with AI is far more costly than expected. Hence, this will slow the rate of job replacement. Researchers at MIT's Computer Science and AI lab ended up finding that a vast majority of jobs previously identified as vulnerable to AI are not economically beneficial for employers to automate at this time. One major stat is that about 23% of wages paid to the humans right now for jobs that could potentially be done by AI tools would be cost effective for employers to replace with, would be cost effective for employers to replace with machines right now. That means, in layman terms, 76% of jobs that are at risk of AI are actually safe for the time being. That means, in the layman terms, 76% of jobs that are at risk of AI are actually safe for the time being. However, the study does not claim that these AI replacements will not happen. It is bound to happen, but the change will be much more gradual, which is a relief to lawmakers and employees everywhere. Neil Thompson, one of the authors of this study, said, "It gives us this ability to start being a little more quantitative of how rapidly we expect workers' displacement to happen, and that will allow people to start building plans that are much more concrete in terms of retraining that needs to be done." Do you think AI will take your job within 2 years?